Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to make a search utility which will highlight a record or row using Excel VBA. This time, when I search for a value, here I am typing a value, a position, and when I click the Find button, I want that complete record to be highlighted. For example, if I'm searching for HR, it will find the HR and it will highlight the complete record which is having HR in it. That's our task. So I'm going to VBA interface and I already made a module here which is having search codes, which is having the name search code, and I declared the worksheet variable and set the worksheet variable also. So here I want my program, I want a for loop to run starting from number 2 till the last row, and if I found a match I want to highlight from the first column till the last column. So it is necessary for me to find the last row and last column. So for that I'm going to declare two variables, L row comma L col as long. So when you are declaring more than one variable of same type, you can declare it separated by comma, right? Then I am finding the L row. I am saying L row is equal to application dot worksheet function dot count a ws dot range of in quotation a colon a quotation close bracket close. So this will give me the last row. Same like that, I will find the last column, application dot worksheet function dot count a, then ws dot range of, then 1 colon 1. That means the first row. So when I select the first row, it gives me the last column number, and when I select the first column, it gives me the last row number. So here I got the last row number and last column number. Now I want to run a for loop starting from 2 to last row. And inside the for loop, I want to nest a decision. So if ws dot range of b, which is the column of position, and I equal to ws dot range of I4, which is the range having what, having our condition, okay, equals. Then what we want to do, we just don't want to highlight a single cell, we want to highlight the entire row. So we will say like this, ws dot range of cells of I comma 1. I comma 1 means what? Whenever you find a match, that row comma 1 means the first column. That means in that particular row, the first cell. Okay, comma cells of I comma L column. That means what? That row last column, which will be the last cell in this row, correct? Okay, dot interior dot color equals VB yellow, correct? Then I will close end if here. Okay, so suppose I'm searching for, let's explain it with an example. Suppose I'm searching for HR, or suppose I'm searching for admin. Okay, so the first time I will close these two windows. Okay, so the first time B of I means B2. B2 is manager, manager is not matching with the admin. Okay, then it will go to the next one, B3. B3 is accountant, it doesn't match with what, admin. The next one, B4, it match with the admin. Then it comes inside. That time I's value is 4. So 4 comma 1 means the first cell. Okay, 4 comma last column means the last cell. So from there to there it will be highlighting. That's how it works. Okay, so let me try to assign this macro to this button and try this one. Okay, so I will give HR, and when I click find, HR is highlighted with yellow color, the record is highlighted, so we reached our target. Now we just want to do the clear selection code, so I'll go back to the Visual Basic, and I'm already made, like I already made L row here, then I will just draw L col also, and I will copy the code for last column from here. Okay, then I'm gonna use another technique here, so I will say like ws dot range of cells of row index means 2, that means second row, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 means what, this cell. Okay, comma cells of L row comma L col, which is that cell, last row last column. So that means starting from here till here, dot interior dot color equals XL none. That means clear all the interior colors starting from here to here. So when I go back, assign this macro to this clear color, there you go, color is clear. So when I click the find, it is finding the record, and when I click the clear, it is clearing the colors. We reached. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.